this class, we have to discuss next term, projection of points that is fixed in second quadrant. We have already learned that the projection of points which is situated in first and as well as projection of points situated in third quadrant. We have already completed that topic. Today we have another topic, that the point situated in second quadrant. Here is an isometric figure of projection of points, that points which is situated in the second quadrant. This is an isometric figure. Here we can see that the vertical surface is marked with a letter that is noted by BP. That means this is our vertical plane, one of the reference plane, and the horizontal parallel surface parallel to ground surface, that is called horizontal plane. These are the two important reference plane. One is vertical plane, other is horizontal plane, and there is a joining edge here marked with a blue ink, that is marked with the letter XY, capital XY. That is our reference line. This is our reference line. Okay. Now our object A, our object name is A. That is green circular dot, green colored circular dot. Its value, its name is A. That circular dot or point which is now fixed in second quadrant. According to position of our observer, if you are the observer stand at the right hand side of the quadrant. This symbol is the eye of the observer. Now, according to position of our observer, according to reference plane, the point position can be definitely say that the point is, the vertical plane is in between the point and the observer. Now, what is the position of vertical plane? Vertical plane is fixed in between observer and the point. In the case of second quadrant, vertical plane lies in between observer and point. And point position is marked here. Point position, that means it is above HP. That means point A is above HP by keeping the y distance from HP. Keeping the y distance from HP. Our point A is fixed at the space of second quadrant. That means we can say that our point A is above HP at a y distance from HP. We have to give that y value. What is the value of y? Value of y is equal to 20 millimeter. Then we can say that our point A is fixed in second quadrant, that is 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP. Similarly, we can say that our point A is fixed in second quadrant working space, and our point A is 10 millimeter behind the vertical plane. 10 millimeter behind the vertical plane. What is the position of the point? Point A is above y distance from HP. That means point A is, what is the value of y? 20 mm above HP. Similarly, we can say that our point A is, what is the distance of x? 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter behind the vertical plane. That is our question. That is our question. Now, how to project its image on its corresponding plane? For that, we have to draw. First, we have to draw a reference line. Here, this is the reference line. Now, I am drawing to a line. That's name is XY. Its above surface is marked with what? Above the XY line marked with which plane? Vertical plane. So, this area is marked with vertical plane. And HP is here. Now, what to do first? First, we have to project its front view on its corresponding plane. According to observer point of view, this point is projected at this surface, keeping the y distance from the horizontal plane. Now, we have to get a point here. After projecting this point here, we can mark that point with a letter, small letter A and a dash. What is the height of that point from the reference line? That value is y is given, that is 20 mm. So we can mark that point 20 mm. 20 mm. Now we have to get a front view. Front view. That is front view projected on vertical plane. This is our vertical plane surface. This is our XY line. Above the XY line we marked vertical plane surface. Now we have to project its image here by keeping 20 mm from XY line. XY line, 20 mm XY line. Put a point here. Put a circular point here. That value is marked with which letter? Small letter A with apostrophe dash. That is front view. Now we have to mark its front view. Now what is the next step? Projects its plan on its corresponding reference plane. Which is the corresponding plane? Then that time observer coming upside. While projecting the plan, observer coming upside of the point. Now its image, the point A image is projected on HP, keeping the distance x from VP. What is the value of x? This value is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Now this point is marked with a letter, small letter A without a dash. Now after projecting the plan on HP having assumed to rotate in clockwise direction, assumed to be rotating clockwise direction. Then that time this HP is coincide with VP. That means this surface is coming upside of the from the XY line. That means our plan also comes above the XY line, keeping which distance? 10 millimeter distance. Now put a point here. By keeping your scale or mini drafter, mark a point here aligned with a dash here, keeping the 10 millimeter from the line XY. That is our plan. It is marked with letter A and this is our plan. This is our plan. Now mark its dimension. For marking its dimension, first we have to draw a extension line. Similarly, we can draw an extension line from here. Now mark that distance. This is the y distance. That means height from the HP. That is 20 millimeter. And what is this distance? It is the distance from VP to the point. That is 10 millimeter. Now this is our front view. This is our plan. See, in this case of second quadrant projection, both front view and plan both the front view and the plan. Here, see, this is our front view, this is our plan. Both the front view and plan comes above the XY line. Comes above the XY line. Okay, what is the speciality of second quadrant? In the case of second quadrant, plan and the front view comes above the XY line. Comes above the XY line. That is our speciality of second quadrant.